This is Alexander Vera for Instructor Ed Carthorne. Week 2, Data Structures and Algorithms. This is part 2 of the video, so there's another part to it. I tried something a little bit different. I changed the coding a little bit, and this is what I've been going through trial and error, getting back into coding correctly. And what I did was I basically made 3 lists. One was half, one was double, and one was going to be the list that was saved at some point together. I was going to create another class or mod, whatever it's called, and then just transfer that over to the saved portion into another list. So whenever it's brought up, you have the numbers displayed right then and there. So for this one, it's on play or it's ran. You get 67. I just use these numbers. I'll say other because either way it don't matter. Sorry for the lag. And it displays, we got the print half and then the print double. And then right here I have that third list where it matches up what's half and what's doubled with it, and my idea was to try and get it presented in the format that this was supposed to be. Half is right here, double is right here, and in between is the space, and for each space is that. But I think that I'm making it more complicated than I should. I think there's a different way to do that. I'm not exactly sure. What I really would love to do is that if there was a way for this to represent two numbers within a given list. So let's say for the third list, let's say is z and y, one representing one integer and the other representing the other integer on the first set of numbers, then having some printing it out, and z at the beginning, and then y with some space in between being the double, or what I mean, and then display that way. But I can't do like and then and in this, which kind of sucks. I think it gives me an error message in that, and then or it only takes into account like one number, I think, or it takes into account only one list. Even though this isn't a coding class. I mean, it is a coding class, excuse me, but it's not. It's meant for people who already have this kind of down pat. You see, I'm already kind of getting in a error right here because I don't think that's even allowed. Yeah, I'm sorry for the lag. So yeah, either way, I had parts set up for each part. One being the main menu that opened. You put in two numbers. It gives you the option to, split the results. This I gotta put as just give answer. No, I gotta add another option that says just give answer. And then yeah. So that is, I'm going to give for this week, what I'm going to give in the coding is this in 2 menus. Also this as well as an example, which is just the same thing, to show that I had different, for the options I was going to create different classes and then add them all together. Alright, thank you for your time.